Welcome. Now, let me ask you something. How often do you read a page or even a whole chapter and then realize you don't remember much of it? You are not alone. Most of us read passively. Our eyes move across the page, but our brain is somewhere else. The result: low retention, wasted time, and frustration. But here's the good news: there's a powerful reading strategy that can completely change the way you study. It's called SQ3R. Think of it as simple step-by-step method that transforms reading into active learning. Instead of words slipping away, the information sticks in your memory, and the best part, once you practice it in a few times, it becomes second nature. Now, SQ3R stands for: first is survey, question, read, recite, and review. Let's break it down. First is survey. Before diving into the detail, do a quick scan of the page or chapter. Look at the headings, subheadings, bolded terms, and diagrams. This gives your brain a mental roadmap. It's like checking the map before starting a road trip. For example, if you are reading a science chapter on photosynthesis, you might notice headings like light reactions, dark reactions, and chlorophyll. Already, your brain knows the main stops along the journey. Now, next is question. Now, turn those headings into question. This sparks curiosity and primes your brain to search for answer. If the heading is photosynthesis, ask, how do plants make food? If the heading says causes of World War One, ask, what triggered the war? Suddenly, your reading has a purpose and your brain loves finding answers. With that, you can go on reading. Now go ahead and read, but actively. You are no longer scanning words. You are hunting for answers to your question. This makes reading engaging and purposeful. Instead of thinking, oh, another 10 page, your brain is focused on solving little puzzles. Next comes is the recite. Here comes the magic step. Once you finish a section, stop, close the book or cover the page and say out loud or write in your notebook what you just learned in your own words. This is called active recall, and it's scientifically proven to boost memory. For example, after reading about photosynthesis, you might say plant use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to create glucose and oxygen. Simple but powerful. Next is review. Finally, don't wait till exams to review. Spend just a minute going back over the key points. Underline one or two important terms or highlight the main idea. This reinforces the memory before it fades. Think of it as locking the door after you have put valuable inside. And here's a simple mnemonic to remember the 5 step. Some questions really require review, which is SQ3R. Some questions really require review. It is very easy to remember, right? Now let's try a quick activity together. Grab a textbook, page, or even your notes. Spend 30 seconds surveying the page. Turn one heading into a question. Read the section carefully, looking for the answers. Close the book and recite the main point in your own words. Then take just a moment to review by underlining one key sentence. That's it. You have just practiced SQ3R. Notice how much more engaged you felt compared to just reading line by line. It might feel like it takes longer, but the truth is, you will save time because you will understand and remember more in a single read. So, the next time you sit down to study, don't let your eyes just wander across the page. Give your brain a workout with SQ3R. It makes the reading sharper, keeps your attention alive, and turns every page into knowledge that sticks. Remember, some questions really require review. Try this method for just one study session and you will immediately feel the difference. Thank you very much.